What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video we're going to have an in-depth review about Informly, brand new product that shows you how to make realistic $50 a day with a simple 15-minute system. That's right, I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you the members area, and I'm also going to include a unique bonus package if you grab it through my link, of course. So make sure you stick till the end so you don't miss out on any important information here. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to have a look at is the sales page. You can have a look at it, of course, at your own pace, but I'm going to just have a quick overview here so we can see a little bit what this is all about. So you can see here how a former ice cream salesman is making a realistic $50 a day consistently with a simple 15-minute money machine, without having a website, an email list, or reviewing a single product. Now you can see that it is 100% beginner friendly. You can be up and running in 24 hours or less. Of course, it depends on how much time you have to spend. I mean, if you do have, if you work like 10 or 12 hours, you can only do 30 minutes your first day, then you will probably need more time. But you should be up and running pretty quick with this. There is a unique paid ads twist, penny click strategy. So we'll have a look at everything inside the members area here, okay? Make more for less, 15 to 30 minutes per day is all it takes to see consistent and predictable results. So here are some screenshots. You can see here what you won't need. It says here any previous experience, any email list. Now I'm all about email list building, but that is covered with my unique bonuses that you get there, so we'll talk about this later. You don't need a website, you don't need to review products to create your own or struggle with SEO or something like that. These are the guys that are launching the course, Momen, Nikhil and Pratamesh. Nikhil is a good friend. He was the guy who approached me. He told me about he was launching, so I had a look at it, and since I thought it would be a good idea to share it with you today here, I accepted, of course, and I included a unique bonus package also. So this is Pratamesh. This is the guy that got started with the method, and then he approached Nikhil and Momen to launch this course together. You can see here, he shows you sales. There is proof here that this method works. And it works really simple, okay? These are some testimonials. Basically, you're going to have to find an offer. Then you will need to set up a single campaign. And of course, sit back and watch the commissions fill your PayPal, rinse and repeat to scale your income. Okay, so this is where you cash in, of course. Now, this is what you get. To have a look at it first. You get a step-by-step video training, and I'm going to show you, as I said, the members area. You get an Informly quick start guide, 13K case study, which in my opinion is worth it more than anything else here, because Pratamesh, he walks you through everything, exactly how he made his 13,000 in commissions here. So yeah, there is also some bonuses included. You get the Kickstarter, you get an emergency 60-minute profits, a conversion booster pack here also. Okay, as I said, you can have a look at the sales page at your own pace. Hopefully you arrive to this video during the launching period, because you will get it for super cheap here. So let's get into the members area. This is how it looks. The first video that you will see is an introduction video where Momen, he walks you through and talks about exactly the process and a few things that you need to implement to get started with this. Then you will also get you can register for a live VIP members training here, and this is also very highly valued, that you can actually access to their own private members Facebook group here, where you can connect with like-minded individuals there. And here is the training where it gets started. So the first thing that we'll do is they show you how to pick an offer. They walk you through here in Warrior Plus. There is also JVSU, and if I remember right, yes, there is a ClickBank also. The next thing is that you will need to have to create a Facebook fan page, and they walk you through everything, as I said, in a step-by-step tutorial here. Now next thing is called the Ultimate Video Assassin, and what this is all about is that you will actually go ahead to make a video that you should upload here on your Facebook fan page. So if a video scares you, no problem, because what they show you here is how you can outsource this and do it. You go to the Fiverr, and you will actually hire someone here. You pay for a gig and you will do your video. So don't let it limit you that you're afraid of being behind the camera and so on, okay? The next thing, they will add some ingredients here, and this is about uploading the video plus a few things to consider. I do like that they tell you actually upfront what you should avoid to get your account banned, okay? I mean, if you go with a big money claim, like you can make a 15,000 in a day or something like that, Facebook don't like it, okay? I already told you I got Facebook fan page closed recently again because I violated these terms, and they tell you everything here, so this is something that I really appreciate that they share here. So the next thing is that you will have to prepare the machine, and you can see here that it is in detail actually where they show you how to set up a Facebook campaign. And it doesn't have to be expensive, okay? You can actually do it with $5 or $10 per day campaigns here. So as I said, I can't go, of course, in details more here. I just show you a few screenshots. You can see everything is covered inside here. And then you have to press the go, which means that we have arrived at the final stage. The next thing would be, of course, that you need to split test and see what works, try some different campaigns and so on. Now, this is also, as I said, the case study where Prathamesh, he walks you through exactly how he made his $13,000 in commission. So it is highly valued in my opinion here. He shows you everything inside. So that is about Get Informly. This is the front end. Now there is a few upsells, and it all depends on how serious you want to go with this method here. So we had a look at the front end. The Audio one is an upgrade. It's an advanced automation, and the next upgrade goes for 37 or 17 per month. This is monthly done for your campaigns, okay? So they provide you with ready-made campaigns, so you don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do is just plug and play, more or less. We have also a reseller rights. You can sell Informly as it was your own product, which is really nice also, for 67 or 47, which is a lighter version. And then there is a last upsell, which goes for 97, which is Marketing Titans bundle. This is an expert secret playbook of its kind. I know what this is all about. Highly valued, of course, also. A lot of marketers, they talk about, they share about their secrets on how they succeeded, and they give you tips also how you can succeed as well. As I said, it all depends on you, your budget, and how serious you are about this method here. Now, my unique bonuses that you will get is, of course, my own course here. If you didn't know, I have my own course. It is Daily List Profits, and I'm also including the pro version. So what is this all about? This is about email list building, affiliate marketing. I'm all about email marketing, so that's where I think that this product goes well hand in hand with Informly here. Okay, so this is how it looks. You make money while you build your email list for free. Something that I definitely recommend that you should implement, no matter if you go for informally or not. You should be aim for building an email list, all right? And if you go into my members area here, you can see that I started with an update. This is a case study that I did last year, how I made $715 in 2.5 days with a campaign that I set up. I reveal everything inside here, okay? There is really, everything is covered in here on how I went through this. And some bonuses, of course. But as I said, on top of that, I'm also including my upgrade. My upgrade is over 18 step-by-step watch over my shoulder style tutorials. It is a business in a box that covers everything from purchasing domain, hosting, set up WordPress, creating email accounts, create your free reports, finding offers on 1, 2, 3, 4 different networks, okay? I have Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Then you have the autoresponder, how to set it up, how to set up your squeeze page, your lead magnet, your thank you page, your follow-up sequence, broadcast, how to set up a launch check-in. I called it the Jack and bonus method back then. There is people that do courses on this alone. Now, also another bonus, how to find a niche, affiliate networks, and there is much more. So you get these two huge products from me if you purchase informally, and you also get niche authority, 200 and social media marketing tactics, and viral traffic search. Alright, so there you have it, how to make $50 per day on a consistent basis with this simple system. So you do need, of course, to implement this. It doesn't work by just purchasing the course, so keep that in mind also, okay? Now, you'll find a link somewhere down below here to grab it with my unique bonus package, which I highly recommend you. They go hand in hand together. So make sure you grab it with my unique bonuses there. Thanks a lot for taking your time and watching this in-depth review about Informly and my unique bonuses. I'll see you soon.